Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Abir Skills. Today I am going to show you how to make a chicken corn soup. It is very easy to make. Please note down these ingredients. You will need shredded boiled chicken 1 cup, chicken stock 4 cup, chicken cubes 2, boiled corn 1 small can, vinegar 3 tablespoons, corn flour 5 tablespoons, 3 eggs, green onion is optional. Yeah, note down these things. First of all, you boil all chicken stock 4 glass. This is chicken stock. Put sweet corn in it, half tin. Chicken, put chicken in it. Mix it well. Put salt, black pepper, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Mix it well. Two teaspoons of salt. Chicken cube. Now you mix a corn flour 5 tablespoons. Mix in half cup of water. There is 3 eggs. I beat it. Put 3 tablespoons of vinegar in it. Now put egg in it. Cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you put corn flour mixture in it. If you see the texture is thin, put more corn flour in it, 2 tablespoons. Here I put 5 tablespoons of corn flour. If you need to put more, then you put more, okay? Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes more. Now you can put green onion in it. It is optional. My kids don't like this green onion. Now it's ready to serve. Wow, see, the mixture is thick. Put 1 pinch of sugar also. Now it's so yummy, so tasty and delicious. I hope you like my video. You can serve with soya sauce and chili sauce and green chili vinegar in it. It's your choice. You can serve with crackers or wow, it's so lovely, so yummy. You can serve in this soup bowl. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Jazakallah khair. Please share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.